Noneho umuntu mufitanye gahunda yo guhurira i Remera ukaba uri imbere ya bank, imbere ya stade, wamubwira ngo iki? Wamubwira ngo I am in front of the stadium, ndi imbere ya stade. Iri jambo ro in front of. Kandi ikindi hari ibyo twize tuvuga wenda tuvuga ngo I am, you are, he is n'ibindi byose. No kuvuga ngo izi preposition zikunze guhita zikurikira iyi verb to be, nkuko biri kubireba hano yasikurikiraho, naha ngaho uri kubona yasikurikiraho. Nuko tuzikoresha and then nyuma ugahita urenzaho location y'ahantu ushaka kuvuga uherereye bisanzwe. Nkuko twavuze ngo I am in front of the stadium, ndi imbere ya stade. Yeah, that's how it works. So what do we have to number 5? We have the word which is behind, inyuma, behind, inyuma, inyuma y'ikintu runaka, behind. This whiteboard is behind my back. Bivuze ngo iyi whiteboard iri inyuma y'umugongo wanjye. So here is how it is being used nowadays. The car is behind the house. Imodoka iri inyuma y'inzu. The car is behind the house. Imodoka iri inyuma y'inzu. The school is behind the market. Ishuri riri inyuma y'isoko. Urikumva? The school is behind the market. So number 6, between, hagati. Between, hagati. The ball is between the shoes. Iri ni ijambo twifashisha tugaragaza ikintu kiri hagati y'ibindi bintu. Ubu ndamutse nanditse wenda dushushanya n'akantu gato kadushushanya wenda k'inzu imeze gutya ya etage. Okay, dushyiremo ikiraro, dushyira iyindi etage. Urabona yuko iki kiraro kiri hagati y'amataje abiri. Twavuga gute rero ngo ikiraro kiri hagati y'amataje abiri? Rero twavuga ngo ikiraro kiri hagati y'amataje abiri. So this is how it would be written. So twavuga ngo the bridge, ikiraro, the bridge ni ikiraro, is between, hagati, two skyscrapers. Skyscraper ni etage. Iyo skyscrapers aba ari amataje. So the bridge is between two skyscrapers. Ikiraro kiri hagati y'amataje abiri. Noneho wewe uvuga ngo ni gute? Avuga ngo ndi hagati wenda I am between two people. Ndi hagati se amashop abiri. Urimo kurangira umuntu ushaka kumubwira ngo ndi hagati wenda okay, I am between the stores. Ndi hagati y'amaduka. Wavuze ndi hagati y'amaduka. I am between the stores. Njyewe ndi hagati y'amaduka. Yeah, that's how it works. Let's go to number 7, where we have next two. Number 7, key. Kuri number 7 dufite next to cyangwa beside, iruhande rw'ikintu runaka. Ushaka kuvuga ngo umuntu anyicaye iruhande, wavuga nyine he sat next to me, anyicaye iruhande. Cyangwa nyine kumwe ushaka kuvuga ibintu byose bivuga ngo iruhande. So this is how it works. Reka turebe urugero. He is beside me, andi iruhande. He is beside me, andi iruhande. The school is next to hospital. Ishuri riri iruhande rw'ibitabo. Ishuri riri iruhande rw'ibitabo. The school is next to hospital. Hospital ni ibitabo. Ishuri riri iruhande rw'ibitabo. So let's hit to the next preposition of time, which is above, hejuru. Ririya tara riri hejuru. That's what we call above. Itara riri hejuru. Reka turebe nk'urugero. Above ni hejuru y'ikintu runaka. Reka turebe. The mirror is above the sink. Ango miroire iri hejuru ya lavabo. Sink hari ukuntu inzu zubatse neza, hari ukuntu haba hari lavabo hano abantu babyuka kugeraho amaso imbere yayo haba hari mirror. Nuko bari kuvuga the mirror is above the sink. Miroir si nta gutekereza ni gutya, ni think, ntabwo ari sink. Iyo ni sick, kurwara ni sick, ntabwo ari sink. Iyi sink, indi sink ibaho ni sink yo gutebera mu mazi, to sink in the water, gutebera amazi, but the sink is lavabo cyangwa bathtub. Yeah. Think no gutekereza, sick no kurwara. Yeah. Naho the mirror is above the sink, ubwo ni lavabo twogeramo amaso yatubyutse. So the clock is above the door, isaha iri hejuru y'urugi. Yes, kumwe amasaha bayamanika hejuru y'urugi cyangwa handi, turavuga ngo the clock is above the door. Yego. Dufite akanyuma kavuga ngo under, munsi, under, munsi. Iteka ryose nishaka kuvuga ikintu ukumva uravuga ngo kiri munsi y'aha hantu, dukoresha iriya jambo rivuga ngo under. Reka turebe urugero. The shoes are under the bed. Inkweto ziri munsi y'uburiri. Bed ni uburiri, shoes ni inkweto. The shoes are under the bed. Inkweto ziri munsi y'uburiri bisanzwe. Inkweto ziri munsi y'uburiri bisanzwe. So the cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Ipusi iri munsi y'ameza. The cat is under the table. Ipusi iri munsi y'ameza. The cat is under the table. Ipusi iri munsi y'ameza. So tugiye kureba noneho izi dusoje ni preposition of a place, tugiye kureba preposition of time, indangagihe. Noneho izi zari indangahantu, tugiye kureba indangagihe.